Yo, what's good? Perry Jeffries here, your entrepreneur CFO, coming to you on Friday. Yo, this is a promotion for a webinar we are doing this upcoming Tuesday. The Perfect Storm, how to protect your investments in retirement during a volatile market. So, if you've been paying attention, which everybody's should have been paying attention, the markets have been extremely volatile lately. All the things that's going on. Rise in inflation coming in at 8.3%. Stock market crashing. Real estate overpriced. Crypto, you know what I'm saying, crashing. Like, what in the world should you be doing here? So first and foremost, I'm gonna tell you this. Stay your ass calm, first of all. You can't make good business decisions being all nervous and acting whimsical and things of that nature. So first of all, stay calm. Second of all, and people have heard me say this so many times, have a financial plan. But I'm not gonna say that today. What I'm gonna say is this. There are things that you should be doing during this market, right? If this market turns out to be the recession that all of us think we're gonna have, a lot of experts are saying we're gonna have, and something I thought we was gonna have a long time ago, a lot of wealth, I'll even far as to say the majority of wealth is created during a recession. So if you're being smart and getting good counsel, this may be the opportunity for you to actually position yourself to grow your wealth in the upcoming years, right? So I was just on a call with a client here, literally before I got on here and got stuck in traffic and decided to do this live. And, he was like, man, we're reviewing this account. So he said, hey, man, the market is down. Should I be concerned? And, you should be concerned if the market is down. But here's the deal, though. In talking to the client, every client is different. This client doesn't plan on retiring for 17 years. So immediately I said, hey, you should be happy that the market is down. Why should I be happy if the market is down, Perry? Because you're buying shit on sale. If you was going to a shoe store, if you're going to DSW, what's going on, Coach? I see you on here. If we was going to DSW, would you rather pay 50% off for your shoes or pay full price? Me, give me the sale. So if you don't plan on retiring or you don't need that particular investment for a long period of time, 10 plus years, you know what? You take advantage of this market, see where you can actually add some additional money. So this particular client actually increased how much they were contributing to their account. Now, I have some other clients who are close to retirement. And if you're one of those people and you're in a window where you're planning on, either retiring in 2 to 10 years or you need this particular asset in 2 to 10 years, but then you should be being very, very strategic right now. You should be taking that risk off the table, right? Any monies that you need in the next 2 to 10 years, you should be taking that risk off the table and be focusing on protecting your principal, which you should be doing right now, okay? Now, with that being said, my client asked me another question, which I thought was really interesting, right? He's like, so man, he's like, hey P, so like, should I just be holding on and staying the course? No. And I've been in the industry 20 years, and I guarantee you those who have financial advisors who reached out to their financial advisor like, hey, the market is down. What should I be doing? What should we be doing? Now, I guarantee you somebody's advisor said this, hey, just hang in there and stay the course. All right, you heard it from me. I know it's going to upset some people. That's total bullshit. To say stay the course in this type of environment, I think is reckless advice to clients. Now, am I saying sell out of everything and freak out? No. I started this off by saying, first of all, stay calm. But there are asset classes which are doing extremely well, which I'm going to cover on the webinar. I have a particular fund that I've been investing clients' money in that is up 29% year to date, where the raw markets are down over 20%. So here's the deal. There are asset classes which are doing extremely well right now. Did your advisor tell you to invest in those? There are particular products where you can protect your principal and still get growth. Did your advisor tell you that, hey, you've had a good run in the market for the past decade, let's take some of those gains and protect them, right? There are assets where you can actually have your monies and not lose any principal and still be able to gain interest on those dollars, right? There are certain assets which function really well in these type of environments that give you additional income. So here's the deal. If your advisor told you, hey, let's just stay the course, right? That may be good advice for some. That is not good advice for all, period, okay? That is not good advice for all. In this type of environment, for some of you, this may be that one in a lifetime opportunity that you may have missed to capitalize on a crashing market and get things on sale and increase your nest egg, right? So here's the deal. The link is below. Go down and register for our upcoming webinar this upcoming Tuesday. Don't give me the bullshit excuse about, oh my gosh, you know what I'm saying, I can't make that one, because if you register, we're going to send you the recording anyway. Get this information. Share this information with your friends and family. You may actually be able to help somebody who, if they don't have an advisor, or if they're not receiving good counsel, they may not be able to retire. This may mess them up to where they cannot fulfill their financial dreams. So here's the deal. Go ahead and register now for this webinar. I'm going to share with you guys what I've been advising clients on. I did a private client webinar for my clients a couple months ago to get in front of this, because we saw the perfect storm coming. And those clients, you know, and those individuals, come on, y'all, let's get out of traffic here. Let's, everybody drive. There we go. Hey, and the portfolio that we put together is actually doing really good in this particular market. And more importantly, it's setting them up to win in the future. So here's the deal. Register now for the webinar, get the recording, and share this with your friends and family. Tell them, hey, check out this crazy dude who was talking about investing and cussing us out on a Friday and saying, hey, let's get on here and see what he's talking about, right? Because here's the deal. The, hey, just weather the storm and stay the course is not good advice. Actually, to be quite frank with you, is lazy advice. And I say that because, you know, being in the business 20 years, that's the advice that many advisors have given. That's kind of what we were taught as traditional financial advisors to say. Hey, when the market is volatile, you know what I'm saying, just weather the storm, which we can appreciate. But better advice is stay calm and get strategic. There are times to just, hey, let the chips ride. And there's other times to say, hey, what can we do different to take advantage of this volatility? All right. So again, this ain't time to be scared. This is time to be strategic. This is time to get professional counsel and not make decisions on your own. This is the time for you to, hey, how can I take advantage of the volatility of this market and position me and my family for future financial success? That's where we at right now. My bad, y'all. I'm over here driving. I'm trying to go to the gym. So that's my rant for the day. Share this video, like this video, show some love. Got clients. Hey, you're absolutely right, coach. You know what I'm saying? One of my clients on here right now. Hey, nothing to be concerned about. They on vacation in Cancun. You know why? Because they have a plan. Tell them, coach, when you got a now, soon, and later on bucket, and you know exactly how to invest in these times, nothing to be concerned about. No fear to have, because you actually have a plan. 70% of Americans do not have a written financial plan. They do not have a written financial plan. So guess what? They're scared shitless because they do not have a written financial plan, right? Just because you got investments don't mean you have a financial plan. When I say written financial plan, y'all, now, sooner, later on buckets. Let me get this to you real quick. Your now money that you need in 0 to 12 months, how should you invest that money, y'all? Here's the answer. You don't. You keep it in cash. Second one, soon bucket. Money that you need in 2 to 10 years. How should you invest that money? Should be conservative. Should be focused on either creating income and protecting principal, and or both. Bingo. Money that you don't need for 10 plus years. What should you be doing? Yo, that's where you can go hard in the paint. You know what I'm saying? That's where your crypto should be. That's where a lot of individual stocks should be. That's where your growth. That's where you have your risk on that 10 years and out bucket, right? If you don't have those buckets, I guarantee you're probably scared shitless right now, right? So, but again, register for the upcoming webinar where I break this down to you. I'm gonna lift up the hood and show and share with you what I shared with my clients several months ago. Reason I don't have clients blowing my phone up. So I'm like, oh my God, Perry, what should I do? You know why? Because they have financial plans. Secondly, hey, they have the now, sooner, later on buckets. Third, if they were on the webinar, we told them, hey, these are the sectors of the market where we want you to focus on your portfolio, and we can stay the course with a portion of the money. But with another portion of money, we're going to get strategic, protect principal, take advantage of the current market and the asset classes, which are doing very well right now, okay? And see where we can generate some income. So that's all I got today, y'all. Peace. Holla at your boy. Sign up for the webinar right now. Y'all know what it is. Happy Friday. Peace.